We were sent this product for review, and I'm super excited because my husband and I are obsessed with Bedsure, and this is their wearable blanket. I cannot contain my excitement. I have wanted one of these for years, and I just am so excited to try this. Let's get it open. I love all Bedsure products. It comes nice and compact. As soon as you open it, it goes through. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. Oh, all I can think about is a cold winter's day and just snuggling on the couch with it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, so they have different sizes. So I went ahead and got the biggest one that they have. So you've got a hood here. Oh, look at this on the arms. You even have the little cuff here so that, no cold air is going to get inside. You have the nice little front pocket here. Okay, I'm going to try this on. I'll be right back. Seriously, I don't even know what to say. I am so excited. Look how awesome this is. I have tons of room. I definitely could have gone with the smaller size, but I wanted to be nice and snuggly. It even comes with a belt. So, you want to make sure that you don't get any of that extra air flowing up in there. Look, you got this for your pockets. I could even put snacks in here or something like that. It is so big. It is so soft, so warm, and it's got a hood. Hello. So cute. I am in love.